Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can make draft videos on TikTok. So as you guys can see, I have already made 2 draft videos. So I will show you how you guys can do that as well. Now first thing, after you open TikTok, you want to click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on the plus button, from over here you can shoot any video you want, alright? So I'm just going to shoot a random video. So this is a random video of my charging brick, but you can shoot any video you want, alright? And click on the tick at the side, at the bottom right to be precise. And click on, next. But before clicking on next, if you want to add any text over here, you can do that. Or if you want to add any music, you can do that, alright? But I don't want to add anything, so I will click on next at the bottom right. And then instead of clicking on post, I will click on draft. Once I click on draft, it's going to show me save to draft at the top, which means I have just created a draft. Now to view my draft, what I need to do is I need to go on my profile at the bottom right of my screen. Once I'm in my TikTok profile, it shows me drafts. I need to click on drafts, and all the draft which I have created is going to be shown over here. So this is the draft which I just created. So I will click on that and it's going to open. Now from over here, I can click on next and I can click on post to post the draft or do any editing with it over here. So that's how you guys can create draft on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. And for people who do not know what draft is basically, let's say you record a video from TikTok right now, but you don't want to edit it right now, you can click on save it as a draft. So when you have free time, you can edit that video. That is basically what a draft does in TikTok, alright?